haven't washed my rug in over 6 months, actually more like 9. That's why I'm so excited about the new eufy E28. It's not just a robot vacuum and mop, it also transforms into a handheld portable deep cleaner to tackle rugs, sofas, and fabric. And while you're using the portable cleaner, the vacuum and mop can keep running at the same time. Total multitask win. I have been a longtime fan of eufy products and didn't think they could top their previous models until now. This portable cleaner is basically an extension of your robot vacuum and mop, saving you storage and from buying yet another cleaning vacuum just for upholstery. One of my favorite features is the game-changing all-in-one station. It uses the same clean and dirty water tanks to both refill and empty the robot mop and power the portable cleaner. All you have to do is refill the clean water tank and dump the dirty one, so it's always ready to grab and go. The E28 vacuum mop is a powerhouse. It has 20,000 pascals of suction power to lift heavy debris, a mop that spins and cleans itself 360 times per minute, and 1.5 kilograms of pressure to scrub like a human hand. It auto lifts the mop for rugs, reaches corners with its smart edge brush, and the new detangling system rotates the dual spiral brushes in reverse at the base station to funnel hair straight into the dustbin. Zero tangles. It includes built-in AI to avoid obstacles, LED lights for low light cleaning, and room-by-room customization through the app. And when you're done, it self-cleans automatically, no extra steps. The eufy E28 is the ultimate all-in-one system. You can unlock up to 15% off for just $9.90. Just click the link in my bio to pre-order your code on this next level cleaning technology.